Hello my people, I'm going to show you how I draft my pattern for this beautiful crop top with an open center front, all tied up beautifully. So get your material ready and also get your basic buttocks block pattern. Click on the link above if you're yet to draft your basic buttocks block pattern with sleeve using your personal measurement. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below to help you draft your basic buttocks block pattern. Create a structure on your pattern paper by rolling 1 inch on both sides of the pattern. Place your front block pattern and trace from the waist all the way up to the neck, just like so. I didn't use that for my crop top. I took out the dart allowance by marking 1 inch on my waist and connecting that point to the armhole, just like so. The next step is to create the space in the center front. I went in 1 inch. You could go in 1.5 inch. That depends on the exposure you want. So mine was 1 inch. Have in mind that your breast, depending on how large your breast is, would also create more space when you wear that. Step is to mark our sewing allowance. I marked down 1 inch because of the hemming, and at the side I marked 1/2 inch all the way through. Once you're done, you cut out your pattern. We're going to do the same thing for the back. So place your back basic buttocks block and trace from the waist up. Don't forget to take out the waist dart and connect the point all the way to the armhole. So the next step is to add our sewing allowance just as we did for the front pattern. Once you're done, you cut out your pattern. So this is what we have done so far. Get your sleeve measurements. We don't need the full sleeve, we just need only the cap of the sleeve. So the sleeve of this crop top is not all the way to the armhole, it's just halfway. So we're going to trace just the cap of the sleeve, just like so. From the center of the sleeve, I went down 6 inches. You can go down 5 inches, that depends. You connect the 2 points and you cut that right out. So after cutting out the sleeve cap, I cut this center all the way through and slash and spread, marking out my 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Once you're done, you cut that right out, just like so. So here are our patterns. This is the actual video of how I created the crop top. The video was meant for TikTok and YouTube short, but you know what, I placed my phone the wrong way and here we go, I had to post it right here. So it's pretty fast, just enjoy.